Good morning students. Today we will talk about the BSc second year organic chemistry paper and the chapter is alcohol. So in this alcohol chapter we will talk about first classification. The main idea about classification regarding alcohol is the number of OH groups present in that alcohol functional group that will decide the whether your alcohol is monohydric alcohol, dihydric alcohol or trihydric alcohol. So first of all we will see the definition of alcohols. Alcohols are organic compounds having one or more OH groups. OH group is basically here hydroxy group attached to carbon in the molecule. So this is basic idea about alcohol. Alcohols are organic compounds having one or more hydroxy groups attached to carbon in the molecules. Now alcohols may be classified as under number 1 aliphatic alcohol. Now aliphatic alcohols are basically having straight chain carbon compound, that is aliphatic. Chain is present. Now we will talk about the sub classification of aliphatic alcohols, that is monohydric alcohols. Monohydric alcohols are alcohols having one alcoholic group in the molecule. They are called as monohydric alcohols. For example, CH3OH. This is methyl alcohol having one carbon atom present there. It is a starting alcohol, you can say. Another alcohol is CH3CH2OH, that is ethyl alcohol. So once again I repeat, monohydric alcohols are alcohols having one alcoholic group, that is one OH group in the molecule, are called monohydric alcohols. Examples are methyl alcohol, ethyl alcohol. Now second one is dihydric alcohols. In these dihydric alcohols there are two hydroxy groups present in the molecule, are called dihydric alcohols. We will see the example of this dihydric alcohol as ethylene glycol. There are two CH2 groups and they are attached to each other, and there are two hydroxy groups, they are attached here to this ethylene type of linkage. So this is an example of dihydric alcohol. Now another subclass is trihydric alcohols. As the name indicates, there are three hydroxy groups present. In this case, alcohols having three alcoholic functional groups in the molecule are called trihydric alcohols. There are three OH groups present here. The very famous example of this trihydric alcohol is CH2OH, CHOH, and again CH2OH. This is your glycerol. Now you know that this glycerol is the byproduct of soap industry. So this is the preliminary classification about aliphatic alcohols. So you can have different alcoholic functional groups present attached to carbon atom. Now if you see, there are OH groups attached to single carbon atoms. If there are more than one OH group is present and it is attached to a single carbon atom, then it is found that the two bulky OH groups undergoes dehydration in this way, so that you will have a carbonyl type of moiety generated and a water is lost. So in this case there is liberation of water molecule. Now when you have a functional group, a carbon which is having two OH groups, then that carbon with two OH groups becomes more unstable and therefore it achieves the stability by the loss of water molecule. Talk about the next alcoholic functional groups, that is aromatic alcohol. Now in this aromatic alcohol, these are aromatic alcoholic compounds in which alcohol group is attached to a side chain of benzene nucleus. I will write an example for you. A benzene ring to which you have CH2 and OH. So this is called as benzyl alcohol. Now this C6H5, this type of moiety is called as phenyl group, and when you have C6H5 attached to CH2, such type of moiety is called as benzyl group. So basically the benzene is the nucleus and it has a side chain CH2, and to this CH2 you have a attachment of OH group. So this becomes a benzyl alcohol. Now it is an example of aromatic alcohol. So it may be noted that aromatic compounds containing OH groups directly attached to nucleus don't come in the category of alcohols. Such compounds are called as phenols and they are different from alcohols in many respects. So if you have a benzene ring and to this benzene ring if you have an attachment of OH group, so such type of compounds they will be called as phenols. So this is different from phenol. There is a carbon atom inserted between OH group and this benzene ring system. So this is the preliminary idea about the classification of alcohols.